Ucha bon. Ucha bon to say body. Ucha bon to say Koobi. Ucha bon. Wait me. Kwasia. Say you can't call the boy answer say in relationship matter. If relationship matter, we take a perform for you. Wait, Papa, Kwasia. That Bama. See, you see me. If anybody try not to, you don't see them a mortar. Kwasia. More Ghana penny for me, Jimmy, Ogan. Me Jimmy Sam, I didn't affect you to know. Me Jimmy. Nobody for people. Ghana make nobody put fear for anybody inside you. Want to be truth to be truth. Yeah, do something. Even if make nobody try me, we go die with them. Wait, Jimmy, but what is the money in your son? You be a young jam with the running country, no. Young jam with the running country, no. Because when you do this, nobody even, no sensible old man go feel wake up and say, no, why do you ask him that question? I don't just say, see the headline. Somebody who can't do show for London. Right now the headline be Ghana. Hey, Ghana. Hey, Ghana. Ghana. See your headline. As they do show finish, see your headline. See headline. As they do show finish, make people read headline. As somebody can do show, they say, we are not the first to break up. Watch medical's reaction when asked about Fela McAfee. Hey! Then somebody could talk to you about why this one, they are also asking the question, why will be such as a woman check? The picture where they under, it be O2. The question where they go with this one. And some people more year school and I'm on Jumano. See, you see Ghana, make a tell something. None of our presidents be wrong. From Jerry John Wallace, from Kwame Nkrumah, from whoever, none is wrong. It's the people around the presidents. It's the people around the presidents. The people around the president. That's why Isaac Kufado it decide. It's Jimmy. Okay. I mean, give me yes, no mako. But me feel beer. And another president will come. If you will get this attitude, you will come behave the same way. You know mine. Because when they talk truth, you put know the one here. How somebody go do show for O2, Indigo, is sport there. Ticket, they buy overload. Then somebody go come. Then the caption for me, watch how America reacted when asked about. Then you go put O2 in video for them. Are you a normal human being? You are not a normal human being. You are a foolish person. You are gymnastic. You are what Jimmy? You are Jimism. Wait, Jimmy. Now I can say no, but why do you have to ask medical that question? Because I think it was wrong, and I think you shouldn't have asked him that question because the whole idea of that thing it wasn't about. So I'm sorry. Please, when you guys want to ask him question, just know how you compose your question. Well, see how you toto me about you do na oh papa dollar cry oh do na pimples wa shia oh toto me pluka oh jim papa well oh clitoris to no go na ke man wen chu kwa shia forklift pussy oh na gbegbereze oh chenwanwanwe asia ka you can enjoy me with one you put they understand and you get no get sense. You boy no get sense. That TV, that Peace FM, you boy no get sense. You boy no get sense. You no get sense. Forget everything. Nobody watch anybody for Ghana. Your mother, who they watch somebody? If you say if I wake up, that's why you can't give me food, make a chop. Your mother, if you say I wake up, this your mother, that foolish way they sit for that. If you say your mother, you ma toto ami kwa, mami toto mi aleni. Kwasia. I just they come to the show. All of you, if you say the show, you go flop. Your mother, oh, about your show, kwashia, or do not chaka, kwashia. You get too flat to my band. Now, big, to Tommy, you can't be a come by you go, shia. Kwasia send a come Ghana on. It's a moon baby, move breno. Some bet not TV, so moon issue, but some cassa one answer. A boy, now to Tommy, saw me on you can't remember why we could. I try me on boy you. I big me. Yeah. Somebody can do show. The only question go fear me that kind of thing. When we talk, then somebody go tell Shatta why they talk. Because see that thing, no say they small business. No say they small boy in business. You know say they small business. See ya. Because Shatta Wale dey monk, so anything you want try and spoil her. And he no fit spoil me. Trust me, he no fit spoil me because whatever they do, that be what the reply they give people. I see ya. People even say what? To themselves, and they watch something where that was you. I'm not where they talk nonsense, stupid, was saying that, basa basa like that. Self. And they say they talk, Shatta Wale's management needs to make a move, and that is what I want to hear. Then I won't insult Arnold. This whole insult, I don't want to involve Arnold because I see integrity. No, so then Shatta Wale. That is the things you want to hear. Things for business, things where I go to make money and give Arnold as my baby son. At least I go feel I say no, check the boy think fast. Me I don't care if my enemy. When my enemy even talk sense, I dey take him. But don't do like you want to spoil the business. Why you to me, boy? Now you be me, I don't got say, show be out. Me my bread, and I me drew and my bread, to me nyame nenam. Uni wine and I'm share me. Uni a drone nenam. Me dear drone ani. Uni dear nenam. U drone and su chen nani. U bois. Try me na share. Now what could draw to Jamie? Yeah, I could draw to Sam. I am here for a draw. I jim about Jim guys at the only say. You are now who share face now, who say face no, me say draw. What God do for man? Forget man in medicine. What God he do for man? Forget man in medicine. Let's learn how to speak positive. Let's learn how to talk positive. Let's learn how to say positive things. Yeah, they talk. I watch some publication. He say, no, I not say, no, Shatta Wale's management needs to make a move and blah, blah. Those are the things I want to hear. Then I won't fight with Arnold. But when you just sell by TV, because sell your dudes, I don't know, we have a TV, because Samu, school, and I'll present school. Wait, Jim, because sell me tree. Ubiako show land now. Who will be sana sema go be sana on the wife. I don't pay medical. Kwasia shawo. You want go take medical. Kwasia. You know like you. We don't like you. Come up for there. Ototo mi chaka. Jejeme. Asumo jejeme. Eyebu. Unya egbemi. Ayebu. Jeje. Kwe. Ayebu. You know go fuck you. Yeah. I'll talk to medical. Make you spoil relationship more. Make everything spoil. Then you go pass back, they collect money from me. Momo Julo. You can need to more pickers. Jejeme. Free na kono. Free biam pe. Free un yefe. Utiti so un de we u se to, uni me to. Eto de ye nu. Obi di ni birthday and I talk ni kosiami no po bi aye talk na fan kosiami no Mzgee face papa pass aye talk aye ni makeup why jim baba who to say alampan uga alampan siso alampan fro kwasia we jim baba fro kwasia we jim baba who to say ponchi kwasia ye kasa na usu be kasa bi say we a presenter kwasia da be na usu a presenter we jim baba who sky now. Where Jim from Kwasia? Who drop pimples? Maybe I better show baby some question. Also, how did the show go? So did BBC come around? So what about other radio station? Oh, I saw that you were doing some podcast. No. Oh wow, that's good. No, I'm gonna support this man. We heard Shatta Wale even saying that, oh South Korea, and blah blah. Let's keep the unity. Oh, I hope that Shatta Wale will do that with Stonebwoy, so we can all move this into the Kwasia. You put it away, they give Stonebwoy some foolish vim. Kwasia. I say what are they talking? I know they talk sensitive. Listen, what are they talking? I say Arnold Sama they do. After the show, at the year not in review, I don't say no, Charlie. This is the time for Shatta Wale to move to it. And I think his management needs to move, and we can do this. That is how business people talk. You people, you know they understand this thing like business. You see, like say, boys, boys, no, yeah, boys, no, yeah, boys, no, yeah, no, yeah, young boy. Hey, no, Mr. Boss, no, Mr. Young, remember boss, was ya? I open our father's or better feeling, mommy, cry, mommy, Logic, catch us, unana. Where Jim Papa? Unana cry, was ya? Yeah, Cassana Musum Pesam Casabi. Because moon, the friend business. Yeah, Cassana Pesam Casabi. If what are they talking about talk wrong, anything wrong, I say listen to what another Samoabi, Nini fight, me fight, where I watching you as you know between 50%. Himself, he just changed his mind quickly. Another Samoabi, he just changed his mind quickly. So no, Charlie, this thing happen. No, shelter them to try to do something. So let's just let's support them. Let's build this thing quickly. Can't talk, stupid girl. You ain't coming national side. You say this to me for bow. What's me at the national side? Means you ain't from where you come the national side. You know how much of our way marriage here? Can't they ask my boys some nonsense questions about in family? In family be your family. Why they repair pussy? You know the sensible question as you say, you talk like you be marriage counselor. What's you said your relationship, you repair them. Go see maybe your boyfriend tells you uchamu bon and keep until now a drone be not for show because uchamu bon. Maybe that be the problem you and your boyfriend face. What's because your boyfriend look at top and say you go be as somebody in a relationship. What's you be relationship healer. You be relationship gap breaker. You be relationship patcher. You be relationship joiner. You be relationship bringer. Or a relationship creator. Well, Jim Papa, was such a small get Jim Junior. So I just have question in the woman. What to talk about we are the world? Your pussy like we are the world. We are the children. We are the one. Sana church kwasia. Who Jimmy stars are ready when you be dealing. Where Jimmy kwasia. We are saying promote even Charlie. Charlie. That boy want a country. Not that. If you put the video, a politician said, Ghana politicians make I tell you something. If you post you watch these entertainment programs, then you waste your money for them at all. Unless take the money can't give me. Make me as structure that entertainment thing for Ghana. If you make mistake, God give to those foolish man come and tell them they walk around and say, Make me government. I don't want to make people take any money. Give entertainment people. Unless you take Shatta Wale. Because if you take that money, give them. You say I don't know what you want to use money for. Better if you know say you don't go make sense. Move for scan. We move for say move here no. Now move for to talk to mama because country no go for Jimmy. Because say san go for Jimmy a no go for bi so country no mo di omuchi. Enti sa scan no move for to talk to no sa move this scan sa na go for no bread because go for me dey mean bread because me hustle already.
Odo, me cook room about.
I'm talking about him.
You offer be a Muslim sending his cow Ghana.
Mamma, I saw of us sending this cannon class of cook room.
Now, my any day.
It's not for Sunday.
I'm going back to make
me. I know to tap on
dear.
Tap send.
No, so I
for Abba or Biatano to go to Fonso. Now, what they register this in this coffee? I enter the shade. Now, what you could chase extra. Man, Miss Row, make a tap send amount. So you should iPhone and also the time. No App Store. No download the Go phone so. Android phone so. No Google Play. No download the Go phone so. Mesraw. And I was send the so mesraw o first transaction be no. Why so we hear promo code. No so about adwempanye. Adwempanye e the go. Yes, ntimpacho. Ubogu ma. Wo Europe kwa do benya €5 free. Before the some part there for. Some can tap send at amount. Oh, America so Canada there. Hey, mom, $10. To Miss now, man, how about one for say, and quite want to be a so pay. Maxi Pacho, who Piaram no echo. Some come up wanting them. Download this year to the fee in Pacho, not relaxing. No one's pick up on it.
Be me who said,
no, I want it. Mammy, now, dear, I am the company said, first one, we should a credit card and come on. And that dear tap Paul Amante was a decafo, but we are mobile. Was it who shoot normal bank card, which means register SNS Asem debt. I tell you, Yatid, to tap a bar, I'm a here for, say a Sunday can call Ghana. Now, wait, no so a come, you dear mamma. Miss Row, make a farmer, also when you are. And you, eh, may know about the power and tentum to Miss Row, promo code the book in the wood. I know 5 years. Free. I know more Canada soon in US and almost bring up $10. Oh, say all day.
I am a idea for the only pen.
I ain't a tap here, come on. Hey, tap send a bush, red to Mohene. Sister, not going to pay me say,
Ranka me ba wo. Asema to me. Me say, my bush for friend me, and you ya catch me say, me dana me boss 1 month ago no. And you go.
I would not know who's in the Ghana no.
Me say,
and you know,
my
and I said, one for company, papa. Company never now for sister. I don't want Destiny Roofing and Steel Trusses anchor. Destiny Roofing and Steel Trusses, almost Ghana. Sister, a band down so border number 1. And almost sign a border down so a 30 years warranty. 30 years. Now, we can unique Destiny Roofing and Steel Trusses, the common air cycle pass our boss amawu. And a tea or move a border and so free estimate. Free estimate. And no more down so more boss of Emma will say Kimwa, almost soon that dear. Sister, and almost say soon ya. And we are almost send a drum and say pick up, and pro. And can come Roma and pro. No what I brought you and I walk off a carpenter and you or say and quite check about that. So, while Destiny Roofing and Steel Trusses, oh, sister, Miss Row, who drew a class a pet. Who call a canna sepulchre. I'm a mole Canada Johnson. A crapocracy, ya. I'm a mole Canada Johnson. Who drew my super Destiny Roofing and Steel Trusses, sister, or me to car with a free estimated amount. Or be a table richly. And I go for carpenter no search, sister, Miss Row, make for the amount until we then harm cry. Also, I'm and yashi, but Destiny ever John qua. Destiny ever more be at Oqua, was a oppressor, open the estimator, or whom Nti dine e ya Adrepan TV na se Beki TV. Obo say di we chiro mo sister. O ma to mo ase ahwo kama. Na obi a o table chira boka asi dan. E na won ko for Destiny Roofing and Steel Trusses e mo dan so. Sister me kan for da ma o. E ha nkra.
Yes.
Omo number e na go screen so no. Omo email address na go screen so e twa gu no. So atese o me board dan so am 30 years warranty.
30 years be wo.
30 years be wo. Na we na nti wo ha mo sa. Sister. Mr. On board dan so ma wa o. E che kula. One to fire more than Crumpuna or da better. And on down some bosswa, and so try and tata. On board down some Debbie. On board down some mobile show of Bruchin, Destiny, not in on mobile show of Bruchin, on board down so I would a fool. And that's tata to my comfort amount to them slow, which you want Ankasa Aquanet straight. I was a phobia for 1 night beginning. South Pepper, me can't fool I the Edam.
To wear pad your former
Number no sooner say email address and say sister. Abusia, Destiny Roofing Sheet and Trusses.
Omo ba Magana.
Auntie is in from you. Hello? Auntie is more we POP no. And the TV unit no. Na few painting no swear. Hey! And the company near come an Aspo Enterprise na. And who pictures was an mama. Okay, mamma. Hey, wow! I didn't ever say. I couldn't me feel look at come an Aspo Enterprise. Hey, wait a minute, could do 1,000 sister. The minister there, neither I was a nice boy enterprise. I don't go in if you paint in the other man. He until seen a miss out where the woman nice boy enterprise. Why me fear they come apart? No come sister.
Bra, what drew Hanum? Okay, and show bedroom how. Or maybe a POP no. I must send you pictures. Yeah, and time for pictures in the batch and I'm them poor call pet them. Sa, I have a Mr. Fabrem, yan and tem, too many kawaii, and I made a mature with my hair, why?
Hey, sister. Yeah, me come
to be up in the way.
Ah, sister, so to. And that's boy enterprise, sister. Me some people in the party. My sister, T, what the people in the share and a trouble.
POP,
and on my end,
TV set, no so. No kitchen, no so. Sister, no, if you want to be
a nice boy enterprise. Usifi na person me POP ma wa and boy enterprise you POP amount almost a TV unit account almost a 2,000 na and boy person your kitchen amount and boy assign I do windows assign she wo dan glass na window no come oh yeah sister what to type open normal estimate na o me mo to 70%.
Yeah 70 kan ya we dey o
number ne good screen so e twagu no omo number ne gu so e twa gu ntimi sraw Anasbo Enterprise o be kira omo say Adrepan TV na say be
POPs di omo your POPs mo kan
You looking cold, then I did do a Nasbo enterprise or charge you ria or no one ko fa na nyoma efiri baby abuchire e de ba Ghana.
Wow.
Na
Almost no for na opio. I mean, opio PC where
na sister, Mr. What done na wusi no. Mr. Nye mistake fa come and ask for enterprise. Baby, I show monster. Baby, for show monster na ko
kitchen, TV set, BBA.
POP,
Wow,
POPs, large system ni BBA. O me san atofo glass BBA ma. Na Windows BF. Sister, Nasbo enterprise there, Mr.
Omo ye King Kong.
Dream ka na me ba be ka kire no.
Mr. Mama ye na me de
be. Na ye na ko na ko from the wo fa edima review.
Bekiti.
Benya discount kama.
Oh,
Nasbo enterprise.
Omo ye King Kong.
Adwempa hene otwa supre kwabrafo wa ye kwa bibrim han bafo otwa burumu odi putupuriye buruburu ma mansan wo